Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on your Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will directly see the friends option at the left side. Now here you will see the add friend option. Go ahead and click on this, and now you will be asked to enter your friend ID. Just type in the friend ID of the person that you wish to add as your friend, and then tap on the search button. Once you tap on search, you will find this ID. Now, once you are taken inside their user ID, you can simply click on the add friend option and then click on confirm. And now, once this person taps on the accept button to accept your friend request, you will become friends on Dota 2 right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add friends on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.